What is vertical integration? Vertical integration is an arrangement in which the supply chain of a company is integrated and owned by the company. Usually, each member of the supply chain produces different products or services, and the products combine to satisfy a common need. What is the importance of vertical integration? Vertical integration helps a company to reduce cost across different parts of its production process. It also creates tighter quality control and guarantee a better flow of control of information across the supply chain. Further benefits of vertical integration includes increase in sales and improving profits of the company. Vertical integration is where two companies at different stages of supply chain join together to form one company. There are three types of vertical integration: backward, forward, and balanced. Vertical integration allows a company to control the distribution or supply of its goods, allowing its greater control and efficiency along the supply chain. Advantages of vertical integration. There are reliability, power over suppliers and buyers, economies of scale, flexibility, lower consumer price. Disadvantages of vertical integration: high cost, management difficulties, loss of focus, reduced flexibility. Now, for example, we can take Zara Garments. Zara is a Spanish clothing accessory company that has over 1,000 stores worldwide. Not only does its own retail stores and distribution, but vast majority of its clothes are sourced in-house. Zara is vertically integrated with both the manufacturers and design of its goods. Whereas other stores rely on independent designers and manufacturers, they are left at their mercy. By contrast, Zara is able to adapt to new trends much quicker than its competitors. It has also led to improved efficiency in stock management, something that is crucially important in fashion designing. One brand of the ladies group Zara profits market is of 75% of its index. Zara is vertically integrated with both the manufacturers and designers of its goods, while the other stores rely on independent designers and manufacturers. They are left at their mercy. By contrast, Zara is able to adapt to new trends much quicker than its competitors. It has also led to improved efficiency in stock management, some things that is crucially important in fashion designing. Over 200 Zara stores located across 88 countries. Practice of fast fashion, fresh move from town runway to stores quickly. Zara's business model strategy. Super responsive buyers drive the Zara's supply chain. Customer is the main driving force behind Zara brand. Quick design to distribute process, maximum time of consumption to distribution center in 3 weeks. Zero advertising, very low spending in manufacturing while high spending on stores. So these are some examples of vertical integration. Thank you.